Brace yourselves as torrential rains crash the shores of southern India. Cyclone Mikhang, a severe cyclonic storm, has made landfall, leaving a trail of destruction and despair. The coastal town of Bapatla in Andhra Pradesh is in the cyclone's grip, with over 200 millimeters of rain expected. The storm has been deemed the worst in recent memory by the Tamil Nadu state's chief minister. Tragic news unfolds as 9 lives, including a child's, are claimed by the floods. Chennai, already grappling with deadly floodwaters, sees its airport shut down, affecting thousands. Amidst the chaos, rescue teams fight against the odds, a beacon of hope in these trying times.